Hey everybody, it's Greg Ray with Outdoor Solutions Long Range Schools. I just wanted to share with you today some of my favorite features of the Zeiss Conquest V4. They've actually added some new features to it that we're pretty excited about. First I want to tell you though, we actually have 3 locations that we do our long range schools at, so we run a pretty big number of students through in a year's time, and they're all using this Conquest V4. We specifically use the 6-24, and so it gets a lot of abuse and a lot more use than just what the average person uses, and it holds up really well. But what I wanted to share today is some of my favorite features as a hunter. Out in the field, probably one of my favorite ones by them is the 4-16. I use it quite a bit, and that's what we have here. One of the things I really like about it is you'll notice in the reticle system, with it being illuminated, that is only just the center crosshair that is illuminated. If you've used illuminated optics in the past, and you've seen that the entire reticle system is illuminated, you know what happens. You get a lot of blowback, and it actually does more harm than it does good because you lose your target. So I really like that about. The other thing that I really like that they've added is the numbering system on here. They actually show where your half power is and your full power. And the reason that that's important is because this is a second focal plane optic. So for me as a hunter, if I'm not on full power, most of the time I'm going to be on half power, and I know that my values in my reticle or my subtensions are doubled. And so I can do the math really quick and get on my target and know what my holds are going to be if for some reason I don't want to use the dial. The other thing that they've done is the numbering system on the dial. The numbers are large, they're easy to see, so if I do want to dial and I need to get a quick acquisition, I can do that as well. Then you've also got the Zeiss glass, which is very well known. On the Conquest V4, you're looking at a 90% light transmission, which we've used others in the past, and we found this to definitely be one of our favorites. All right, so I think overall, for the price point of the Zeiss Conquest V4, you're not going to find another optic out on the market that has more bells and whistles and have the quality glass that you do with the Zeiss.